I have not done a haul in way too long. Hello my sweet friends and welcome to DIY with Nadia. Today I'm going to do a craft outlet haul and I got some really pretty things. Let's get started. Louis was getting a little hot under the camera, so I let him go. Before we get started, I want to tell you how many items I bought and how much I paid. I bought 38 items and I only paid $153.16. That is with taxes. I live in Illinois, so those are kind of high. But if you do the math, $153 for a lot of these things were on sale, but still 38 items is pretty good. I got only one pick and this one has 3 lemons on it. It's kind of long, so I thought this would be really good when I'm making a lemon wreath because I'm going to be making at least 2 this spring. In this haul, I only got 2 rolls of deco mesh. I got this pink one, and this one's a really elegant pink. And then this one, and this is the weave mesh. I love using this one, overlaying a different color. So pretty. Then I got pipe cleaners. These were an amazing deal. I got 2 packs of white, and they're pack of 100, I believe, and then 1 beige. So these were really good. Next, I got a rail wreath form. I have not done one of these on my channel, but basically it's kind of like doing a yardstick or a stir stick wreath. Now all the pretty ribbon. Starting with the 2.5-inch ribbon, they're all 10 yards. I got 2 colors of pink. This one is a little lighter. This one looks like it's much better quality and it's a little darker. Then I got a simple gray. And then I have 2 buffalo check. One that's blue and this one is white and gray. So that one will work really nice with this gray. And then I got a red one. I don't know about you guys, but when I shop online, I like to go to the sales section first, see what they have, and then choose what I also need. So that's why a few of the signs that I got them full price because I was looking for particular ones. And now for the 1.5-inch ribbon, I have this striped red and black one. Then I did get lots of yellow. Spring will have lots of yellow, so things that were on sale that I thought were good quality, I grabbed them. So for example, this yellow one that has a white stripe, I got that one. This one would be good for spring, either for lemons or for a bee theme. Then this one can match many things for Easter, for spring, even for summer. So I grabbed that one. Next, I grabbed this floral one. Now I have this same exact floral, but the background, instead of white, it's a different color. I have so many ribbons, it's hard to remember, but I believe it's like a teal color or like a bluish color. And so when I saw this on clearance, I was like, yeah, I'll take it because I can combine it with the one I have from last year left over and make something pretty. Next, I bought a pink one, not realizing it had sparkles on it. Look at this. It's going to be so cute for Valentine's. I don't know why, but when I opened it, I was like, I didn't order anything with sparkles, but hey, that's okay. Then I have a black and white stripe. Same thing. We first think of bees, but then again, it can also work for lemon. Then a black one with a white stripe. It also goes with this yellow one. And then the lemon ones. Here are my lemon ones. I have this buffalo check, blue and white, that I thought was so beautiful. And of course, I wanted something with black, so I got this lemon with the black. Moving on to more fruit and vegetable ribbon, I have this little strawberry one, and I love the little flower on it. Then this buffalo check background watermelon one, very pretty. And last but not least from ribbon, this ribbon. For Easter, I was on the hunt for it and could not find it anywhere. And I was just so excited I saw it. I love carrot ribbon that has a white background because a lot of times for Easter, we will choose maybe like an orange background, or you make something in the shape of a carrot and you want to brighten it up with a ribbon. this type of ribbon is perfect for that because it has the orange in there, but it also has a white background that will, as I said, brighten things up. And now the most exciting part, the signs that I got. And they're all in plastic, so it can crinkle a little bit. I do apologize for that. First one is Let's Kiss Under the Mistletoe. Look how adorable this is. And it's glittery lettering. It's so, so pretty. And then this one, Oh Dear, Christmas is Here. And a lot of you have asked me to do a wreath with a sign that's like, that's a Christian sign, the reason for the season. But the problem is you all bought all of those signs out, or they were just overpriced that I was not willing to spend. I do have a budget and I need to watch what I spend, so I'd rather buy 2 signs than one really overpriced sign. But that's just me. I'm going to do my best with what I got. Next, we have the donut sign. I have ribbon that I bought that I thought I was going to make a wreath, but I just had a hard time making the wreath without a centerpiece because it's so unique with the, you know, with the donut and stuff. So this is going to match perfectly, and we're going to get a donut wreath hopefully next year sometime. Then I love generic signs like this because they match anything and they can stay in your home year-round if you don't want to do different wreaths. This one says, Welcome to our home. Very simple, very clean, very farmhouse. And by the way, all these signs are metallic, and I love the fact that they will stay for all your seasons, and all you have to do is just use some good strong floral wire to attach them. There's a hole on top, hole at the bottom. I love these. So of course we have Valentine's, and look at this one. It says love. Then I have this one, super, super cute. Of course we needed to get some Easter ones. Look how adorable this one is with beautiful flowers and foiled lettering. That's why I have to hold it a little bit at an angle so you guys can see. Of course you can catch more flies with honey. Look at this one. I love the little black and white edging on it. This was super cute. And of course we need some lemon ones. I got this one. It says welcome, to match this ribbon right here. And then I got this one, you guessed it, to match this ribbon right here. I'm so excited about those. Then of course I have a farmer's market one with watermelon. For our last sign, I thought I would do some cuteness overload. Look at these bunnies. It just does not get any cuter than that. Of course, besides my pets and then your pets and, you know, all our fur babies. But I thought these bunnies were still super, super, super cute. And that's it for this haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I have not done a haul in a long time, as I said in the beginning, and I kind of miss doing hauls. So if you guys want to see more hauls, maybe some Dollar Tree. I don't do as much Dollar Tree anymore just because economically they're not always the best. For some things, Dollar Tree is still rocks. I'm still going to get my wreath forms from the Dollar Tree. I'm still going to get some florals, ribbon sometimes, a mesh tubing, but not deco mesh necessarily because I just don't think it's worth it. With that being said, thank you so much for staying with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye, my sweet friends. Mwah! I just thought I'd record a little bit of my little fur babies playing outside, enjoying themselves. There's Leo. I need to throw it. Hold on. Yep, and he just ran past me. I wanted to show you something. So these are my black currant bushes. This is not something that people see often. My husband built these things around it, And I need to clean it up just a little bit, but these are black currants. And if you don't know what black currants are, they have more antioxidants than blueberries. They're kind of tart, but you can make jam with them, and they're absolutely delicious. But yeah, they're dried up for the winter. Give me 5. Yeah, you're such a good dog. You guys ready to go home? You too, Louie? There goes one. Leo? Leo's thinking.